Hi, today I will demonstrate how to use our metal card counter. This machine is engineered to handle a variety of cards, including those with specialized finishes. For this demonstration, we have prepared 10 different card types. These include standard white core cards, as well as several colorful cards with colored cores, which we will count later. First, I will count the white core cards. The initial count is accurate. To verify, I will remove one card and recount. As you can see, the counter counted correctly. Next, we will count a special holographic card. I will use the standard counting mode. Once again, I will remove one card to test the accuracy. The machine correctly identifies the change, confirming a count of 50. A key feature of this counter is its ability to count cards through their plastic packaging, eliminating the need to remove the film. The count remains precise at 50 cards. Now we will continue with the colorful cards. The count for the green cards is 50. Next, we have a rainbow cards, which feature a multicolored edge. Finally, we will count a batch of 10 yellow cards. The result for all card types are accurate and reliable.